Coming up with one video idea is useful, but what if ChatGPT could help you build an entire content plan in just a few minutes? Well, it can, and we're going to do it step by step in less than 3 minutes. Step number 1, generate video ideas. We'll drop in a prompt, give me 20 video ideas for a YouTube channel focused on content creation. Click upload. And here's your ideas, 20 clean, simple ideas to start with. Step number 2, group ideas into categories. So now we're going to prompt for group ideas into logical playlist categories. Click upload, and here's your results. So this will give you an idea how to organize your channel into playlists. Step number 3, build learning paths. And to do that, we're going to ask ChatGPT to arrange these ideas into a beginner-friendly learning path. Drop in the prompt, click upload, and here is your learning path. Now this looks similar to the list we started with, but this is not random. This is more of a curriculum that you can teach by. Step number 4, find content gaps. We've got a good list going, but we want to know if we're missing anything important. So we prompt ChatGPT for what important beginner topics are missing. Click upload, and here's the topics. So now you have 40 ideas for videos rather than 20. Step number 5, create a publishing schedule. With all these video ideas we have now, we need to figure out how we're going to record and publish. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a 30-day publishing schedule. Drop that in, hit upload, and here's your schedule. Now, instead of searching for one video idea at a time, you can use ChatGPT to build an entire content plan. If you want more quick answers that don't waste time, just come back to see us. If you have questions or topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.